Welcome to the
PlayRounds.
Today we will be exploring nature.
Nature? What is it?
Nature is everything outside that's not made by people. It's the trees, flowers, the sky, the sun, and even the dirt and rocks.
Let's go outside! Yippee!
Trees. Trees. Can you say trees? Trees.
You have trees in your neighborhood.
Rocks. Rocks. Can you say rocks?
Rocks. I like to collect rocks, and I like to make big rock towers.
Water. Water. Can you say water?
Water. Do you want to splash in water?
Sand. Sand. Can you say sand?
Sand. Do you want to build a sand castle?
Leaves. Leaves. Can you say leaves?
Leaves. Oh, look at the leaves. Are they dancing in the wind?
Sun. Sun. Can you say sun?
Sun. Ooh, I love sunrises and sunsets, but I always need my sunglasses and sunscreen. Woo!
Sky. Sky. Can you say sky? Sky.
You see clouds in the sky?
Grass. Grass. Can you say grass?
Grass. I love playing in the grass. I like to run and run and run in the grass.
Dirt. Dirt. Can you say dirt?
Dirt. Wow! Things grow from the dirt? What color is dirt?
Flowers. Flowers. Can you say flowers?
Flowers.
Those are pretty flowers. Have you smelled flowers?
Let's go explore out on the land. We'll find cool treasures in the sand. Rocks and stones in every size. Some are smooth and some surprise. Pick up a stick and draw in dirt, making art with nature's work. Leaves for stamping, mud for clay. We'll make some magic our own way. Slide and swing on playground fun. Climb and race and chase the sun. Then back to hunt for one more prize, a special stone or bug that flies. With art and nature all